Hi, I'm Evan Smith again. I am a former NFL player, 10-year veteran or 10-year vet in the league, and this is my John Deere 4066R. This is one of my favorite pieces of equipment. First one I bought was a 3046, and I quickly realized that just paying for the extra horsepower is 100% worth it because I'm able to run bigger implements as well as still get the comfort of the hydrostatic drive on it. So for me, it's the best of both worlds. And as far as being able to take care of the amount of property that I have to take care of, it gives the ability to run this giant 8-foot rotary cutter. I got a massive snow blower. I have a massive snow pusher that I could put on this thing, and this thing handles all those things no problem. You know, I was thinking about maybe going up to a bigger tractor, but this thing, for all the stuff you can do with it, and it's easy to move on a trailer, it's definitely probably the best subcompact you can get on the market, in my opinion.